Most dentists I meet are trapped between two paths. One is grow the practice, scale it up, add more capacity, more chairs, more associates, higher production. The other one is get out, exit, build the practice up, and sell it off for as big a multiple as you can. It seems like it's a binary choice. There's only either or, and that's not true. It's not binary. There's another path to consider. For years, every industry group has told us which path to take, which side to go with. The DSO group, private equity, consultants, that whole DEO crowd has said for years, scale, sell it, right? Meanwhile, the investment community says, hey, diversify your assets, put them over here into Wall Street products, usually 401ks, to set yourself up in things that you don't really know what you're doing with. Both of these camps miss the point. They offer a half solution. One builds a bigger job, one builds dependency on someone else's market. That's not what you want to do. But real freedom doesn't come from maxing out your production or your investment portfolio. It comes from integration, having a business and a practice that is built for optionality, that gives you freedom along the way and allows you to be very smart and wise about your outside investment allocations. That margin becomes the fuel that feeds smart investing. It's not a substitute for it. The dentists who win in this new economy are the ones that see their practice as a wealth engine, not just a paycheck. They understand cycles. They understand having liquidity. They understand investing in assets and relationships that they control. They build a plan that lets them step back when they want to. That's the mindset that we cultivate in Freedom Founders. It's not about chasing the next multiple or the next market rally. It's about engineering both sides of the coin to serve your life. So when you hear people say that you've got to choose between practice growth and financial freedom, just remember you don't. You can actually design a business that funds your freedom now and a portfolio that protects your freedom later. That's not theory. That's the framework that hundreds of us are living right now. You spent years mastering dentistry. Now it's time for you to master what that success creates.